Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Mazludi. My matrix number is DE 190061. So I will present about my lab activity 1. So basically, for the step number 3, I've done the simulation on CPU simulator. So basically, this is the program. After I press the move 5RZ0, the answer will be 5, and move 8 will be here 8. So basically I already add the value 5 and 8 and turn into 13. And then okay, next is push RZ01. So this is basically the answer for the push R001, and then create an instruction to push number -2 on top. So this is the value. And for the next value SP register, create an instruction to compare the value in register R00 and R001. So compare. So this is after comparison. And then move to the next part. Create an instruction jump to the first instruction, execute and observe. So jump 00. So this is the answer. And for the next, observe the value in the PA at L column. And then create instruction to pop the value on the top of the program of the stack. Pop. So the answer is we will see the -2 in here, and then pop R003. Okay, pop R003 here. And next is compare the instruction which compare value in register R4 and R5. Compare. So, and then manually insert two equal value. So for the equal value, I choose 4, and R05 will be 4, and then we compare. And then compare. So nothing changed, the answer will be 1. And then insert R05 is greater than 4. 5 change. Then compare again. So the answer will be 0. And then create instruction will jump the instruction if the values itself are equal. Jump, change, then jump, check. So this is the answer. And for the last is create instruction that subtract the R004 if the condition in the previous instruction is not met. So subtract. So the answer is 1. So meaning that 4 plus 4 is 0, will be R05 will be 0. So that's it from me. Thank you.